Easy voice control. Pair directly with Echo Studio, Echo Show 10, or first and second generation Echo Plus immediately out of the package for easy voice command of connected devices. No additional equipment is required for use with these Echo models. Other Alexa and Google Assistant products can also be used for voice control when connected through a compatible Zigbee hub. SmartThings users. The switch requires a device type change in the SmartThings IDE to avoid being added as a thing. A certified solution is in progress. Convenient design. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Zigbee models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. Rapid installation with SimpleWire. Auto-detecting line, load terminals support fast and easy installation by identifying line and load wires and configuring the switch accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-gang setups. Versatile use. Requires in-wall installation with hardwired connections, neutral wire required. Supports 3-way and other multi-switch configurations when paired with up to 4 add-on switches, model 46199. Includes white and light almond paddles, wallplate not included. Works with LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen bulbs and other devices. Trusted network. Zigbee 3.0 is forward and backward compatible and does not use well-known network keys, which allows reliable, safe home automation. Certified device-to-device interoperability and a proven mesh network eliminate single points of failure while supporting large networks. The smart switch also extends your Zigbee signal by up to 150 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome smart switch with great improvements over previous generation. We have several GE smart switches, also made by Jasco. These switches are superior though. I love the fact that I no longer have to test whether a wire is the load or line. The switch figures that out automatically. Love that. Cuts way down on installation time. I also love the fact that I don't have to break off any metal tabs on the side of the switch. The metal tabs on the GE-branded Jasco switches made no sense to me. It paired easily with our Echo Alexa. Looks great and fits right in with the existing switches. My only complaint, and it's minor, is that the neutral jump wire is only 6 inches long. I installed the switch in a bank of 4 switches and 6 inches just wasn't long enough. So I had to make a quick trip to the hardware store to get a 12 inches length of wire.